Hi, I'm Vanessa from Vans, Van and Travels, and I have my old friend here today, Letty from Living Life with Letty, and she brought me something from Texas, and I wanted to share it with you. I hope it's something really, really good. So here's Letty. It won't turn around.
Hello everybody, so I'm with Vanessa and Tammy from Tam's Crafts made these little pillows.
Oh,
and also a pot holder, and it has, I don't know if you can see close
so
enough.
Cute.
They have little vans and they have little license plates and trailers. And so it's a little pillow and a little pot holder, and it's from Tam's Crafts. So if you're interested in watching her channel, go ahead and go there, because she's going to have a lot of crafts and she's also going to have a lot of giveaways. And so there's Vanessa again.
Okay. For some reason my camera is not showing me how to turn the picture around, so I hope it didn't spin you around too badly there. Well, I'm going to say goodbye before I mess up something else. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I did want to tell you that I do have a lot of bits and pieces in this one. I've got part of a solar install. I was going to do the entire install that Joe was doing on Sylvan's travel trailer, but he did it so fast, I just couldn't believe it. He put in 1,340 watts of solar on his travel trailer, and Nick helped him. And then there's a clip of the ride from Parker, not in town Parker, out to the Vanville. We're at the Vanville 2019, and we're already having a lot of fun, but we still have 2 weeks to go, so we'll have a lot to show you. We don't have the internet out there, so it's kind of hard to upload a video, so they may be a little late. And thank you, Tam, from Tam's Crafts, because I absolutely needed a pot holder. I was using a washcloth every time I had to pick up my kettle when it was too hot, so I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching, everyone. Okay, we're out here today to watch Joe and Nick do a solar install on Sylvan's travel trailer. He has a nice travel trailer here. I've already shot a few pictures. So you're Sylvan, and where are you from, Sylvan?
Originally from New York, then Florida for 27 years, and now here. The journey across was interesting. It was 2,500 miles. And it was very interesting.
That's a long trip.
Yeah, it's a long trip, and I was very grateful I was able to do it. And now we're here amongst this group, which is wonderful.
Did you feel like you were in a hurry to get out here, or did you just take your time and enjoy the scenery?
It took me 2 months, 3 months to get out here, so I didn't travel more than 120 miles a day.
Good.
So.
I used to couldn't do that. I used to have a destination, and I'd drive as hard as I could, and by the time I got there, I'd be so tired from all the rushing.
Well, I want to share with you my new concept of life is I have no place to go and all the time in the world to get there.
Right.
So this is what I do, and I said, why rush if you have no place to go, you know?
Yep.
So this was the goal, to get out here to this beautiful area and enjoy the comfort and company of all these wonderful people.
I agree with you 100%. And who is this you have in your arms?
That's Gina. She's my pal.
Hi,
she's
Gina.
17 years old. She's an old lady, but she's my best buddy.
I can see that. Every time I see you, you have her in your arms, and I just love that. I love Gina because I have a daughter named Gina.
And it is a very good name, I'll agree.
Yeah, very pretty. So how much solar are you getting?
Over 1,300 watts.
Wow. That's a lot of solar. But you'll enjoy it. You'll have more power than you can ever use.
Well, I appreciate that. I'm looking forward to it, yes.
And that's Joe and Nick up there on the top. I'm not going to bother them, but we'll catch them a little later and talk to them and see what they're doing. I know he does a good job. I've seen his work several times now, and he does a wonderful job, and I know you'll be happy.
Well, that's very kind of you, and I look forward to it. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, this is the morning gathering here for the people having coffee and just waking up like I just did. Does anybody care if I ask you your names? Go around and ask you your names? We know Mike over here. We did a video on him yesterday of his great rig he has. Yeah. Oh, well, I'm going to go not too far behind you. And who is this over here?
This is Alan.
Alan, where are you from?
I'm from Ventura, California.
Wow. Were you born there?
No, I was born in Memphis, Tennessee.
Good for you. And this is Sylvan here. How are you doing, Sylvan?
I'm doing great.
We just talked to him, but he's getting his solar done. Who is this nice gentleman here?
I'm Jack.
This is Jack here. Wisconsin.
Right.
That's a good place to be from, and a
Yeah,
good
right.
place to get away from.
Yeah, for the winter.
In the winter. And who is this?
And I'm Dave. I'm from California and most recently from Iowa.
Oh, wow.
Refugee from both states.
You're not too far from Indiana either. And who is this you got with you?
That's Tank.
That's Tank, and this is who?
Maggie May.
Maggie May. Wake up, Maggie. Let me not spin around here. Okay, and get in here.
I want to break the camera there.
You're not going to break. You ought to see me how I come in here. Okay, I guess that's all that's going to talk to me this morning. I'll wait until I get a new crew out here. Okay, Joe, what are you doing real quick?
Working.
Working?
Oh,
Wow.
you take pictures.
No, I'm recording.
Oh,
So how much solar are you putting up here?
I forgot.
It's about
Too many. No,
there-
it's like 1,340 something.
And who is your assistant over here? Nick, you want to say hi? I'll cut this out if you want me to. 1320.
Huh?
Something like that. 1320 or 1340.
Well, we've made it to the van bill. We have to park on the side of the road till we walk in the big tent to get all set up. It's hot out here today. I'm waiting on Letty to get out of her van, come join me. And we'll show you more when we get in there. Here's where we decided to camp, and we got right beside the porta potty, so that's a good thing. I'm trying to be careful out here with all these people because they don't want to be filmed, a lot of them, and I'm not trying to film anybody in particular. I've met a lot of people here that I have watched their YouTube channel, though. Most of them very, very nice. Been talking to Randy, the mobile traveler. He's very, very, very nice and showing us around and walked us to our vans when we had to pre-park while we were getting registered. Last night we camped with Aja from Pandemonium and Mike from Caravan Carolyn's channel. You've seen Mike there, and Blue Van Dan, and